Today, I'm counting down the top 10 highest rated tricks on Penguin Magic, and stick around to the end of the video to find out which product actually started my road to becoming a world-class card magician. Starting out at number 10 is Stegosaurus by Phill Smith. With 97 reviews and a 4.9 out of 5 average rating, this mentalism trick is incredible. This is a self-working miracle that makes you look like a world-class mind reader. Your audience thinks of any word from a huge list of words, and then they spell it out on a table using another set of cards that have a bunch of random letters scattered across them. Impossibly, you reveal the exact word they are thinking of. The letter cards don't even have to be face up. They can be turned face down while your back is turned and nothing is written down. This trick is truly baffling, and it's no wonder that so many magicians love performing it. Next up at number 9 is My Way Out of This World by Larry Haas. With 116 reviews on an average 4.9 stars, this card trick uses a shuffled deck that can even be borrowed. The aces are removed and the audience is able to impossibly sort the red and black cards without ever looking at their faces. The Out of This World plot by Paul Curry is turned into a powerhouse effect that, according to legend, paused World War II when it was performed. Larry's take on the effect is part of a larger series of card tricks that Larry teaches that use minimal sleight of hand and make you look like an expert card magician. This is one of the most accessible ways for new magicians to learn this extremely strong piece of card magic. Before we go any further, let me introduce myself. I'm Eric Tate, one of the performers and teachers here at Penguin Magic. Penguin Magic has over 82,000 product reviews with a 1 to 5 star rating system. With over 20 years of verified buyer reviews, you can easily see what other magicians think of our products before you buy anything. Also, do me a favor, please like and subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified about other videos we post. Let's get back to the list. Sliding into position 8 is Chop by Craig Petty. With 123 reviews averaging 4.9 stars, it's a killer effect that I include in my own Strolling Magic set. A dollar is borrowed and signed while a paper coffee cup is examined. The dollar vanishes and reappears inside the cup under increasingly impossible conditions before a lemon appears under the cup and the signed bill appears inside the lemon. This trick is straight fire. The secret gimmicks can be used for a variety of effects and hide in plain sight. Plus, Craig has been doing this trick for years, so he has the routine really figured out. I love doing this trick and show it to audiences every chance that I get. Number 7 is Name and Place by Bob Cassidy. With 127 reviews averaging yet again 4.9 stars, this multi-phase mind-reading routine by one of the best mentalists to ever walk the earth is also a favorite of Nick Lacapo's, and you will love it too. 2 spectators each think of a name and a place, and then you reveal all of their thoughts with no funny moves or fishing. Each spectator writes down their thoughts, and then the cards are mixed up. You can reveal exactly who had which thought. It's a crazy direct piece of mentalism that can play in intimate settings or to giant crowds of people. Plus, you can get it as a download, so you can start learning it right away. You have to check it out. Number 6 on this list is Modern Transportation by David Regal. 205 reviews averaging 4.9 stars tells you how strong this signed card effect is. A spectator signs a card and it changes places with a card in the magician's pocket while they are holding the deck with their signed card inside of it. They literally cut their signed card into the deck, and then you take another card, confirm not to be their card, and put it in your pocket. Incredibly, the 2 cards instantly change places. I love this trick. I've seen David perform it at the Magic Castle, and it crushes. It's a really strong piece of magic that is also shockingly easy to perform. David is a genius, and if you are looking for a killer transposition, this is one to keep an eye on. Halfway through the list, we are here at number 5. Copycat by David Parr has 258 reviews averaging 4.9 stars, and it fooled Penn and Teller. This is a do-as-I-do effect that kicks like a racehorse. Cards are shuffled, cut, exchanged, and ultimately you and the spectator are shown to have selected the same card. It's all dressed up in a fun game with lots of great byplay that delights audiences. The thing I love about this trick is the same thing that I hate about it. It's dirt simple. David's brilliant thinking makes this trick easy to do, but also truly fooling. I watched it 8 times when he first did it on Fool Us, and I had no clue, none. But the tutorial makes it easy to learn, and it's something you'll have a blast performing. Number 4 is a Torn and Restored routine from Brent Braun. 270 reviews with an average 4.8 star rating make this a go-to trick for lots of magicians. A signed playing card is torn into 4 quarters and then literally welded back together with a lighter. The handling of this trick is nearly perfect, and the restoration using the lighter covers the sneaky business very well. Now, I originally learned this from a pamphlet that Brent published about 20 years ago, and the updated video gives new ideas and thoughts that are well worth you learning. This is a killer trick that everyone should know how to do. Number 3 on this list is no surprise to regular viewers of my top 10s because it's Bewave by Max Maven. 314 reviews with an average of 4.9 stars of one of the most popular and powerful packet tricks of all time. 4 queens with blue backs are introduced, and the spectator names one of the suits. That queen is the only one facing the other direction. It's also the only red back card in the blue back packet. And then, as a final kicker, all of the other cards are blank. This is a truly incredible piece of mentalism that fits in your pocket or wallet. It's not just one of the most highly rated tricks by hobbyists. Pros all over the world still do this trick. If this is the 3rd time you are seeing me tell you to check out this trick and you in our top 10s and you haven't, pause the video and go check it out. Number 2 on the list is a true miracle from Dan Harlan. Starcle has 350 reviews with an average of 4.9 stars, and it's another trick that pros all over the world perform. A paper napkin is folded and a single tear is made. The napkin is unfolded and a perfect circle is left behind. However, the portion that is torn out is also unfolded and discovered to be a star. It's a topological mystery combined with Dan's brilliant storytelling. I've seen pros bring huge theaters to the verge of tears with this trick. And best of all, it's totally impromptu. Trust me, you've got to learn this. Coming in at number 1 is Born to Perform Card Magic by Pearlman. With a whopping 573 reviews averaging 4.9 stars, this crash course in card magic started my journey into card magic almost 20 years ago. Oz may be known as a mentalist, but he is a phenomenal card magician, and this video is a testament to that. It's actually the 2nd time Oz made this video, because the entire thing was reshot in HD in Las Vegas after the original DVD came out. It features great accessible card magic and a variety of foundational sleights with expert teaching to get you going in card magic. I love this project and highly recommend it to anyone looking to learn card magic. Even if you're already an advanced card magician, there are some great tricks that you'll want to try, and that is why it gets my top spot. That's it. Those are the highest rated tricks on projects on Penguin Magic. Penguin Magic is the world's largest magic retailer, with customers around the world leaving reviews that help you find incredible magic. When you're on the site, spend some time in those reviews. I know a lot of our customers also leave great commentary and even ideas that you'll use in your magic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.